You know it. You know it. You know.
Welcome to my channel, Be Like Christ, and today we're gonna be talking about cooking meat properly is essential for those following an animal-based diet. So let's explore some of the best methods to prepare delicious and nutritious meat dishes. The first one we're going to explore is searing. Searing is a quick and effective technique for cooking steaks, burgers, and other cuts of meat. Use a hot skillet, preferably a cast iron or a stainless steel, or cook the meat over high heat until a golden brown crust forms. This method locks in flavors or increases a delicious exterior. The next one I'm going to talk about is the reverse sear. Involves slow cooking with meat in an oven at a low temperature, then finishing with a quick sear in a hot pan. This technique results in evenly cooked meat with perfect crust. It's ideal for thicker crusts like ribeye or New York strips. Slow cooking is an excellent for tougher cuts like brisket or chuck roast. Using a slow cooker or crock pot, you can cook meat at lower temperatures for several hours, resulting in tender, flavorful dishes. This method is convenient and helps break down connective tissues in the meat. The sous side cooking involves sealing meat in an airtight bag and cooking it in a temperature controlled water bath. This method ensures precise doneness and helps retain nutrients. After cooking, you can finish the meat with a quick sear for added texture. Grilling imparts a unique smoky flavor to meat and is perfect for steaks, burgers, and chicken. It's a quick, easy method that allows excess fat to drip away, resulting in a leaner final product. The roasting is ideal for larger cuts of meat, like whole chickens or beef roast. Cook the meat in the oven at a moderate temperature until it reaches the desired internal temperature. This method is great for achieving a crispy exterior and juicy interior. Tips for cooking meat on an animal-based diet. Tip number 1 is use high quality grass-fed meats when possible for the optimal nutrition. Number 2, don't be afraid of fat. It adds flavor and helps with nutrient absorption. Number 3, experiment with different cuts of meat to add variety to your diet. Number 4, always let meat rest after cooking to allow juices to redistribute. Tip number 5, use a meat thermometer to ensure proper deadness and food safety. By mastering these cooking methods, you'll be able to prepare delicious and nutritious meat dishes that support your animal-based diet. Remember, the key to find the techniques that work best for you and the cuts of meat you enjoy most. So, thank you very much for watching this today, and be sure you like and subscribe so you can get more information, and be sure and share this too. Register for my free 90-day detox challenge at belikechrist.net. God bless everyone who watched this today. Thank you.